My name is Angie Ritchie. I'm the Nutrition Services Supervisor with Roseville Area Schools. We are here at Edgerton Elementary today, and we are prepping for our Minnesota Thursday lunch. Roseville's Farm to School program started in 2016. We started with a local apple crunch in October, celebrating Farm to School month, and then we expanded it to a once a month Minnesota Thursday, the first Thursday of every month, and now we have a year-round Farm to School program where we integrate local produce, proteins, grains, and fruits throughout the year, particularly twice a month on Minnesota Thursdays. We apply for the AGRI grant every year. It is a great way to utilize local funding for integrating local produce and purchasing new equipment to make scratch cooking possible. We have purchased combi ovens, we've purchased kettles, steamers, and tilt skillets. It's a lovely way to update our kitchens to help us to work smarter, not harder, when we're integrating local produce, local proteins, and grains into our menu. We partner with the Good Acre Food Hub to add cool varieties of squashes and potatoes and cabbages and radishes, items that we wouldn't have been able to buy otherwise through our prime vendor. And we're able to really utilize BIPOC farmers, emerging farmers, through their values-based purchasing program with our Food Hub. We've also been able to purchase local proteins directly through our producers. So we've been purchasing local bison, beef, turkey, and chicken, and pinto beans direct from the farmers who grow or raise the animals or beans. Working with AGRI grant funds, we've really been able to invest in our program and make new connections with farmers, ranchers, and growers, and diversify our menu options. We've been able to take some risks and try new items and really get community support, community buy-in by menuing new options, investing in our community, sending that money full circle in our local economy, and giving kids the opportunity to see their farmers as well, especially when they can see themselves reflect in the farmers. That's just the big picture of our Farm to School program.
Last year we introduced beef sambusas into our kitchen as a Minnesota Thursday product. And I thought it was really amazing that a lot of students came in and they're like, I eat this at home. I'm so happy I get to have this at school. So I think that's cool just to kind of see those foods come into our school and those students be able to have their culture reflected back to them in food.
This grant has really allowed us to take it beyond the first bite by infusing the capital to make sure that we can go beyond the apple at this point. And we're just looking forward every year to building on this program and expanding what we're able to purchase. It's really helpful for a director who's thinking of the bottom line to know that we've got this additional support to invest in our programs, invest in the local economy, and make our menus better.